Hi, welcome. Welcome back to my channel. Now, today I'm going to teach you how to make a feed, uh, control the feed. So you see here, there's the two, say one is a circle and one is a rectangle. Okay, so this rectangle and this is circle. So what I am going to do, this one is in the loop here. You say this one, you see this is in the loop. Unlock. Okay. Now it is already unlocked. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to make a layer. So here in the layer, here we have the one called setting this side. You see here I have set up my fading is 10%. So let's go for 52. Okay, and close. Now this one I'm going to lock. So I will click lock. You can see it here. No? So you see it became blue color because fade setting I made a 50. So you can go again layer settings. If I make this one again move to, let's go to the 15. Okay, so you see the fade is different now. It's not look like green. So let's unlock now LK command unlock. Make we will go to the layer and we will go to the new layer. So one of layer I am going to, so I will shift this one to the left layer. So you don't see different because you see a small difference here, but not much. Let's go to the layer settings. So let's go with this one, 50, and okay. So you see the lock layer. This is the lock layer. It's very fade, and this one is, you see this is not fade because this one is not in the lock. So if I lock this one also, lock LCK, so this will become fade. You will get yes, this one. So this will be white. From the lock layers, we want to see same both. So you can go just here, settings, here, you can make it 0 or whatever you want. Okay, and become same. So maybe answer what is the command. So you can search for that one or you can assign this one. You can ask what is the shortcut. So this is lock and fade. No, nothing good. No, yeah, it's covered. Look, fade, CTL. So it's a big command. This is the command. Take this one and enter the value 50. So you can control like that also if you want to. For me, easiest to remember, just go to the layer and control from here. And some AutoCAD older version we just fluid and here then it will come. So here now it's coming something different. When you make fluid, just type fluid, so it's coming down. So you can see here, you can just click it, multiply. So you can type fluid also. Just fade, so you will see here down. Low lock fluid CTL. Okay. So like that also you can. There is another way layer ISO. It's a long process. Setting, lock and fluid. What you want. So I hope you understand how to control the fluid settings. So it will be helpful when you are working with this. So if you not understand this command, I will explain you again in another video. And I hope you enjoy this video. Subscribe my, if you're not subscribed my channel, subscribe so we can learn together. Until then, take care. Bye.